baru sangat mak.
Hey.
Jom, ni. Ada.
Sikit.
Chemical plastic or the heavy metal. Okay. Apa?
Kosal, ha?
Nak apa?
Kosal kala-kala. The turbidity of the river. We can see here, the color of the river is very brown in color. This indicates that the turbidity in this river is very high. So,
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Hi, although we know that the Sungai Tebrau already polluted, but there still many people are fishing along the river bank. So as you can see, there's some.
Okay, so now I will talk about the effects from the water pollution at Sungai Tebrau. So one of them is that it can then second effects is that it can affect human health as people who
dah bubuh kira ya.
bila sebab hujan kan
Biar memang tu. Bongkar pula. Ye benar.
here this drainage is polluted by many factors. One of them is by the rubbish, oil and grease, and from the farming area.
Oh, ada satu gambar tak angkat ni.
Sungai Pandan which near to the Pandan Uptown and the wet market. So as you can see the river already polluted because of from the fish market. The water they come out from the drink and flow into this river. Yeah, tiga. That's it. Duit tak ada ni tau. Hah?
Yep.
Yang
Okay, let's move to the next effects of water pollution. So the next water pollution at Sungai Tebrau is that it can affect the food chains. It also can affect the natural food chain as well. Chemical substance like lead and cadmium, which is very dangerous, that live in the water bodies, eaten by small fishes, and then later these small fishes are eaten by large fish or shell fishes, and can affect the higher level of food chain as well, which is us as human. So it is very dangerous actually, because it can continue to spread within the consumer from the small one to the large one. So people who consume this type of fishes does not know either this animal have been affected or not. So probability for them to have the negative effect is very high. And then the another effects of water pollution is that it can damaging the ecosystem. Ecosystem are known as very dynamic, and it can respond to even a small change in environment. So it can.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Adam Afiq. So I would like to talk about the source of pollution in the river, which is in our cases in Sungai Tebrau. So after we have having a site visit and we going for observation at a few part of Sungai Tebrau, we can see that the color of the water is very brown, very chalky. So this indicate that the turbidity of the river is very high. So the next problem is we can see the rubbish in the river, along the river bank, which is we can see in the video before. There's a lot of plastic and other garbage. So at the river bank become a place to dump rubbish. So this happen along the residential area. So as for the turbidity cases, this happen because of erosion along the river bank. In Sungai Tebrau also, other than residential area, there is also industrial area. Even though the industrial area doesn't contribute to turbidity and the pollution of plastic, but it still contribute a little bit of pollution, such as turbidity, where the water discharge is not treated correctly.
So, in order to maintain the water quality of the river until the next future generation, all of us need to take an immediate action on this issue. For example, our group are handling the water project at Sungai Tebrau. So, the community, government, industry, or any responsible party must work together to minimize the pollution as much as possible. One of the recommendations to reduce the water pollution at Sungai Tebrau is the community itself should need to do the changes on their daily life, such as the community can use the few chemical to clean their house and yard. For example, they can use a cleaning product which are very eco-friendly or not harmful to the environment. They also can reduce the usage of the chemical, fertilizer, pesticide, herbicide, because this chemical contains a toxin and it will run off to the river through the soil when it is running. So it will affect the water quality of the river. Other than that, the community itself should not throw any rubbish as well, and they also need to divide the waste according to the type of waste which are biodegradable or non-biodegradable before they thrown out into the sink or drain. And community also need to do the campaign, and with the government to do the public awareness. These two both is very important because this activity can educate the people on how much the important for us to take care of this river.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you can get a better side of view of the pollution in Sungai Tebrau. So don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. Bye.